A warm welcome to you all to my classes today. Now we are going to discuss about the most attractive skill of language, that is the speaking skill. In general, speaking means the vocal expression of language, or the vocal communication of language is called the speaking or speech. And language takes a very attractive or beautiful shape in speech. And without speech, language is simply a script. So it will be more beautiful and more attractive when language comes in shape of speech. In the present communicative world, my dear children and friends, all of you know it very well. From among the 4 skills, listening, speaking, reading and writing, speaking is a byproduct. It is a byproduct of listening skill. Listening is input and speaking is the output of that language. In my previous classes discussing the 4 language skills, I gave you an example of a tribal child or tribal baby, when the baby after birth will be sent to Washington City, America, and after 10 years the baby will be brought again to here. Then the 10 years baby, the 10 years boy or girl will be speaking Washington English or American English. It is because of the input, the listening skill. So the Mahamantra of speaking skill is what we listen, that we speak. And a Turkish proverb is there that if speaking is silver, then listening is golden. So I have heard in my classes earlier, perhaps in my PG classes, that if you have a tongue, then you can speak English. So now you can check, and if you have a tongue, you can speak English. Have the confidence in you. The most important thing is the self-confidence. If you have the confidence in you, then automatically you will learn English, because English is a language that everyone can speak. As I told you that listen as much as you can. We have to surround ourselves with English language. Again, I must request the parents, when their children are watching television, if they are watching news program, then just take the advantage here, that is English news programs. The English news programs they must listen, they must watch. If the babies are watching cartoon, there is also option, you can change language. Please allow them to watch, but allow them to watch in English language. And this will develop the speaking skill in a spontaneous manner, in an automatic manner, so that this will be the natural development of the speaking skill. And the speaking must be free from regionalism. It is very important part or aspect of speaking skill, that when we speak English, people should not say that we belong to, or I belong to specifically Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Kashmir or Delhi, like that. It must be free from regionalism. It should not be, or our mother tongue should not have any impact or any influence on speaking other tongue other than the mother tongue. And you know, at the present time, body language is very important. I go back to my own childhood days, my school days, when in standard 3 or 4, there was a competition. We were speaking on different themes. or subjects, topics. So we were being advised to be like this and speak from the beginning to the end. And I still remember in my standard 4th or 5th, this was my position, and I spoke for 3 minutes, and I was looking up, and I started and ended. It was advised earlier in my school days. I must tell one thing to my children, my students, that be natural. When you are going to ask something to your mother, do you take this position and ask something to your mother? Whenever you are with your friends, do you take the sadhan position and speak something? So speaking is such an activity. It must be natural. How naturally you flip your hands, nod your head, or you do have your that is movement, your eyes, movement of the body, specifically gesture and posture, the movement of the body and the position of the body and the facial expression, everything should match with your speech, so that your speech will be much more attractive. The body language is your own ornament that can attract the attention of your listeners. And from among the body languages, the eyes, they speak something more than that of the tongue. And when you have you are going to draw the attention of the listeners, it also attracts the attention of the listeners. And if it is a group discussion, please look to each and everyone who are sitting in the group. If it is, you are in a public speaker speaking to the public, try to look the entire public, not looking to a particular place, a particular person. If you are a teacher or a lecturer, you are in a classroom delivering a class, try to look each and every child or every student. You will be looking to everyone, but you will be looking to no one, particularly to a particular student. So eye contact, it attracts the attention of the listeners. You can bind them in your own speech with the help of your eye contact. And when we speak sentences, and how sentence is central to a language, like that word is also central to a sentence. So the word is composed, the sentence is composed of words. So the vocabulary scale, the word power, if we don't have the words with us to speak, how can we speak? You are in kitchen and you are cooking something, and you don't know some of the name of the items in English, some of the vegetables in English, some of the names of the masala, what you say, that is the names you don't know in English. How is it possible? So word power is very important. With the help of word power, you can develop your speaking skill in English or in any other language also. And one debate is there, that how grammar plays an important role in speaking. My opinion may differ, but who are starting speaking English, specifically it is the beginners, I think grammar is not that much important in speaking English. How? Now, in my previous classes, I may have given this example, that a 2 years boy or girl speaks fluent mother tongue without any grammatical mistakes. Do you remember that you have given any grammar book of that mother tongue to that baby, so that at night the baby was reading the grammar book, and early morning the baby was speaking fluent mother tongue without any grammatical mistake? I think the answer is no. Because speaking is a natural process. If we listen a particular language and the grammar of that language is correct, automatically we will start speaking correct English. And while you start speaking English at the beginning, you start speaking words. you start speaking simple short sentences. That is another Subanasutra Mahamantra of speaking skill. That is short and small sentences and simple sentences. You start speaking words even. And finally, today's part 1 class, start speaking to develop speaking skill. If we shall discuss about the speaking skill and speaking skill, if you don't start speaking English, then it is not possible. So now you determine, you decide, have a partner in English and start speaking English. So that's all for today in the first part of speaking skill. We shall meet again in the part 2 of speaking English. Thank you very much.
नमस्ते, मु प्रकृति पटनायक। जदि आपनको मोर बाबांकर वीडियो बढ़िया लगला तो सब्सक्राइब करिए, कमेंट करिए, लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए। बाय, धन्यवाद।